How do you handle it when someone crosses a line or when a simple conversation starts drifting completely off track? I'm Raymond, and today we're exploring 3 words that help you set boundaries and keep things focused. That's condone, meddle, and digress. Let's dive in. First up is condone. To condone something is to accept or allow behavior that is considered wrong or offensive to continue. Think about a manager who refuses to condone lateness, making it clear that everyone needs to be at their desk by 8 a.m. sharp. Or consider a friend who tells you they can't condone the way you're treating your partner, even if they've always had your back. You might even see a community that refuses to condone littering, with everyone working together to keep the streets clean. Setting a standard means you won't allow bad behavior, but you also have to make sure you don't overstep into other people's business. That's how our next word comes in. Meddle. This means to interfere in something that is not one's business. It's when you insert yourself into a situation where you weren't invited. Imagine a neighbor who tries to meddle in your family's private business, offering advice that nobody asked for. Or think about how annoying it is when a coworker tries to meddle with your project files, just because they think they have a better way of doing things. You'll even see it in group chats where someone feels the need to meddle in an argument between 2 other people, usually making the drama even worse. It's easy to get caught up in drama when people interfere, but in a real conversation, you have to be careful not to let the topic wander. To describe that, let's look at the next word, digress. To digress means to leave the main subject temporarily in speech or writing. It's when you go on a tangent that has nothing to do with the point. Picture a teacher who starts a lesson on history but then begins to digress into a long story about what they ate for breakfast. Or consider a job interview where the candidate starts to digress into their personal life instead of answering the actual question about their skills. You'll even see it in a meeting where everyone starts to digress into a debate about the weekend football scores instead of finishing the agenda. From refusing to condone disrespect, to stopping those who try to meddle in your business, to never letting a conversation digress from your goal, you now have the vocabulary of boundaries. Use these words this week and watch how people perceive your authority differently. But before you go, help us keep the momentum by liking and commenting if this helped you out. That support is what keeps us going. Tell me which word from the video was your favorite, or just react with an emoji to show some love. I really appreciate you being here. Every like and comment helps us find more people just like you. I'm Raymond, and I'll see you in the next one.